Hello everyone, welcome back to the student Diwan. In this video, we will see the transport section of the student Diwan. Here in the sidebar, you can see this is the transport section in student Diwan. In the transport section, first we will see the vehicle schedulers section. Now this is the main page of the vehicle scheduler section. Here at the top you can see the filters like search bar. You can search and schedule, or you can see by the shift type like morning shift, afternoon shift. Now this is the reset filter where you can reset the applied filters. Now below you can see this is the list of all the shifters and vehicle assigned to the shifters. When you click on this plus icon button, this shift will be expanded and you can see the details of the vehicle assigned to this shift. Like here you can see vehicle number, type, capacity and driver name. Now this is all in the vehicle schedulers section. Now let's see how to manage shifts and how to add a new shift. Now this is the shift management section. Here you can see the all the shifts which are created, and to add a new shift click on this add new shift button. Here let's add a new shift. We will give it a name like night shift. Shift type we will select night, then we will give it a time, and remember our timing should not make a conflict with the timing of existing shifts. Let's select 19. Now you have to click on the Save Shift button to create a new shift. Here our new shift is successfully created. Now let's see how to edit the shift. Here click on this Edit button. You will be able to edit a shift. Here you can change the name, like I will give it a name midnight shift. You can change the shift type also and timing. Let's change the timing and update the shift. Here our shift is successfully updated. Now we can also deactivate the shift. To deactivate the shift, click on this deactivate shift button. Shift will be deactivated, and to activate it again, click on the same button again, activate shift. Now you can also delete the shift. Click on this delete shift button and click on the delete button. Shift will be deleted. This is how you can manage your shifts. Now let's move to the next section, which is vehicle management. Here you can manage all the vehicles and you can add new vehicles here. Here at the top you can see the search bar. You can search vehicle by the vehicle number. Below you can see the list of all the vehicles, like you can see vehicle number, vehicle type, seating capacity, fueling type, status and actions. Now you can search also by these filters like vehicle type filters by bus, van, and also you can search by the status like active, inactive, and then you can reset the filters. Now let's add a new vehicle here. To add a new vehicle, click on this add new vehicle button. Here first give it a type, equivalent, a van, then vehicle name like Suzuki, vehicle number. Let's give it a number. Then seating capacity, let's say 20. Then add the status, active, inactive and under maintenance. Now let's keep it active. Then fuel type, let's have petrol. Then select the category of the vehicle like AC, non-AC, sleeper, mini. You can also add the document details here of the vehicle like registration certificate or the insurance like we will add here registration registration certificate, document number, then the starting date and end date. This is the validity dates of the document. You can also add multiple documents here. Now, for now, let's add only one. Then you have to select the safety features which are available in the vehicle. Let's select all, then add the vehicle. Now our vehicle is created successfully. You can see it here. You can also delete the vehicle. Click on this delete button and add this vehicle number here and then delete. Or to edit the vehicle details, click on this edit button. Here you can edit the details of the vehicle or you can also add documents here. Like I will add a document like insurance number, starting date of the insurance and expiry date. Now let's update this vehicle details. Here you can see vehicle details are updated. Now this is all in the vehicle management. Now let's move on to the next section which is driver management section. This is the main page of the driver management section. Here you can manage drivers and also you can add and manage the helpers here. Now first let's see the driver section. Here you can search by the driver name or by the status you can filter or you can select by the bus type. Also you can reset the filters, click on this reset button. Now to add a new driver, click on this add new driver button. First give a name to the driver, like we'll say Martin, badge number, give it a unique badge number, then gender, religion, DOB, let's say January 1, 2000, blood group, email, contact number, let's set a contact number here, emergency contact, address, then add the professional information here like license number, we will add one, then license expiry date, let's say February 28, 2027, then national ID, experience, then joining date, then you can also add the resignation date at the time of resignation and here check the police verification button and then assignment information, click here active or inactive, let's keep it active. Here you have to upload the profile photo of the driver, click on this upload photo button. Here click on this image and upload. Here confirm it By this button. This profile photo will be updated. You can add the documents of the driver like ID or license here. Choose the file, then confirm the upload. You can add multiple documents here. Click on this add document. Now let's set the driver. Here our new driver is created successfully. You can also edit the details of the driver. Click on this edit button. You can edit any information of the driver and then click on this update driver button. Also, you can delete a driver. Click on this icon and give the name of the driver and then click on the delete button. Here our driver is deleted successfully. Now similarly you can see the helper section and you can add the helper similar like the driver. You have to add full name, batch number, gender, religion, DOB, blood group, and then contact information, then professional information like national ID, joining date or resignation date at the time of resignation. So this is how you can add the helper here. Let's move to the next section, which is driver assignment. This is the main page of the driver vehicle assignment section. Here you can assign drivers to the vehicles for transportation routes and shifts. Here is the list of assigned drivers to the shifts and vehicles. Here you can see vehicle, driver and helper assigned to it, shift, duration, status and action. In action you can edit the details of a shift like you can change shift or vehicle or the driver or helper, and also you can change here the assignment period like valid from to date and remove it from active to a replacement or replacement or temporary assignment. Here click on the edit assignment. This assignment will be edited. Now you can also add a period of time till which this as a period this assignment will work. Like I will add till 19 this assignment will work. Now let's edit. Here you can see the duration. You will see the start date and end date of this assignment. Now to add a new vehicle assignment, click on this new assignment button. Here select a vehicle. Let's select this one. Add a shift. Then select a driver. Select a helper and click on the assignment. Save assignment. Here you can see a new assignment has been created. You can also edit it from here. You can change dates or the assignment details. Now this is all in the driver assignment. Now let's move on to our next section, which is route management. This is the main page of the route management section. Here you can see all the routes and the vehicles assigned to the routes. Now let's see how these routes are actually working. For that, let's create a new route. Click on this Add Route button. Here, give a name to the route. Let's paste a name here of the route name. Then select the status. Then add the stops. Here you can add the stops from the existing stops available here, or you can directly add a new stop here. Click here, add the name of the stop like this, then select the latitude, then longitude, and click on the create stop. You can also delete or edit route. Like click on this edit. You can edit this stop here. Also, you can delete this stop here. Paste the name in this field and then click on this stop. This stop will be deleted. Now let's select the stops here. Mm, When you select the stoppers, then you have to give the starting point and end point to the routes. Like I will set this as stop. I will set this as starting point and this as ending point. You can also delete a stop. Click on this delete button. Stop will be deleted. Here you can assign users to a specific stop here. Click on this assign, then select the students, and you can select the stop also here. Select the stop and then save assignment. You can select a stop to every stop. Here I will add few students, also stop. Now save assignment. Similarly, you can add to these other stops as well. Now let's save this assignment. You can see our new route is created. This is the new route. Now there is no vehicle assigned to this route. Now let's assign the vehicle to this route. Click on this assign vehicle button. Select a vehicle. Select a shifter. You can add multiple vehicles to a route like this. For now, let's add only one and assign the vehicle. Here you can see vehicles is assigned to this route. Here you can see details of the vehicle. Now let's assign users to this vehicle on this specific route. Let's select the students. You can see students are selected here. Now how to create a trip. To create a new trip, click here on the create trip. Here you can create a pickup trip or drop trip, and this is one-time trip. To add a continuous weekly recurring trip, click on this recurring weekly. Here you can select the days of the week for which you want to create this trip. Now let's create the schedule. Now trip is created. You can see all the trips here. Click on the view trips button. Here you can see trips. Now this is today's trip. You can see previous trips here and future trips here. And you can also apply the filters here to check the trips. Now to see all the details of the trip, click on this plus button. This will expand. You can see the person's name, person type, status. You can see these details when trip is started and the helper marks the attendance of the present users. You can also check the details of the trip. Click on this view details button. Here you can see now this trip is scheduled. It's not started yet. When the trip will be started, you can see the real-time data. Here you can also check the location on the map. When the trip starts, you will see the location of the vehicle and the routes here. Now this is how you can manage your trips. This is all in the transport section of the student Diwan.